Curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived, whether by guests, neighbors, or potential buyers. One of the most effective yet often overlooked ways to enhance a home's exterior is through window design. Double-hung windows remain a popular choice for homeowners because of their timeless appearance and versatility. Across Covington neighborhoods, these windows contribute significantly to improved curb appeal while offering practical benefits. Timeless style that fits any home. Double-hung windows feature a classic design with two operable sashes stacked vertically. This traditional look blends seamlessly with a wide range of architectural styles, from historic homes to newer builds. In Covington neighborhoods, double-hung windows complement both older and modern homes, preserving architectural integrity while offering a refreshed exterior appearance. Balanced and symmetrical appearance. One of the reasons double-hung windows enhance curb appeal is their ability to create balance and symmetry. When installed evenly across a facade, they provide a clean, organized look that draws the eye naturally. For Covington homeowners, symmetry adds visual harmony and makes the home appear well-designed and maintained. Customization options that enhance exterior design. Double-hung windows are available in various finishes, colors, and grille patterns. These customization options allow homeowners to tailor the look of their windows to match the home's exterior style. In Covington, choosing the right frame color or grille design can elevate the overall aesthetic and highlight architectural details. Clean lines that maintain visual appeal. Double-hung windows feature simple, clean lines that don't overpower a home's design. This subtle elegance allows other exterior features, such as siding or landscaping, to shine. Covington homeowners appreciate how double-hung windows enhance curb appeal without overwhelming the facade. Improved natural light and window proportions. The design of double-hung windows allows for generous glass area, bringing more natural light into the home. From the outside, this larger glass surface creates a brighter, more inviting appearance. Across Covington neighborhoods, homes with ample natural light often appear more open and welcoming. Consistency across multiple window openings. Double-hung windows are ideal for maintaining a consistent look throughout the home. Using the same window style across different rooms creates visual continuity. For Covington homeowners, consistency enhances curb appeal by making the home appear cohesive and thoughtfully designed. Increased perceived home value. Well-maintained and updated windows signal care and quality. Double-hung windows suggest a blend of tradition and modern functionality, which appeals to buyers. In Covington, improved curb appeal often translates into increased perceived home value and stronger buyer interest. Low-maintenance beauty that lasts. Modern double-hung windows are designed with durable materials that maintain their appearance with minimal upkeep. Their lasting beauty helps preserve curb appeal over time. Covington homeowners benefit from windows that look great year after year without constant maintenance. A curb appeal upgrade for Covington homes. Double-hung windows offer a perfect balance of style, symmetry, and versatility. Across Covington neighborhoods, they enhance curb appeal by improving exterior aesthetics while supporting long-term value and comfort. For homeowners looking to elevate their home's appearance, double-hung windows remain a timeless and effective choice.